In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll have your print-on-demand products ready to sync, orders flowing automatically, and fulfillment handled without extra manual work. Before we start, make sure you have active accounts for both platforms and you're using a desktop browser for the smoothest setup. First, open the Printful website in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, head straight to your dashboard. From there, go to the Stores section. This is your command center for all integrations, where you'll add new sales channels and manage existing ones. If you already have multiple integrations, you'll still find everything here, grouped neatly so you can keep track. Next, click the Choose Platform button. This opens a list of platforms and marketplaces that Printful supports. You'll see popular options, but for this tutorial, look for TikTok Shop. Click TikTok Shop to start the connection process. Now, follow the steps mentioned here. Printful will guide you through an on-screen flow that typically opens a new window, sending you to TikTok Shop's authorization page. If you're prompted, sign in to your TikTok Shop seller account. Choose the correct shop if you manage more than one, then review and grant the requested permissions. These permissions allow Printful to create and sync products, manage inventory, and import orders so they can be fulfilled automatically. Make sure you select the correct region for your TikTok Shop, since availability and settings can vary by country. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Printful to confirm a few details. You may be asked to name your store, set your default fulfillment preferences, and confirm sync options. If you see toggles for automatic order import or order status updates, enable them so new orders from TikTok Shop flow directly into Printful. If you already have products in Printful, you can map them to your TikTok Shop listings during this flow. If not, you can create products in Printful later and push them to your shop. Keep both windows open during setup, and if a page doesn't load, check your pop-up blocker or try refreshing the authorization page. If anything looks off, verify that your TikTok Shop account has the right permissions and that you're signed into the correct region. When the connection is complete, you'll see your TikTok Shop listed in the Stores section of Printful with a connected status. From there, you can start syncing products and let Printful handle fulfillment automatically. That's it. Your Printful and TikTok Shop are now connected and ready to work together.